Hello friends, in this video we will solve 30 questions with official answer key, and as you can see thumbnail, these questions are related to CTET 2021 paper layout 2nd English language first portion. First we have a passage, and after read this passage we have to answer the questions. Question number 91 to 99. Passage: the very nature of the mind is restlessness. It cannot stay one place or hold one thought for long. For every thought that appears, there are comments, judgments, and associations. Thinking is a continuous activity with the mind jumping from one thought to another from morning till night. Like clouds in the sky or waves in the ocean, thoughts appear and disappear as if in ceaseless activity. However, all thoughts that pass through our mind do not affect us, but we get affected when our ego is hit. Then the mind whirls and creates a tornado of restlessness within. A variety of probable scenarios crop up. How dare he insult me? What does he think of herself? Where I am not respected, I will not go. If he speaks this, I will reply so, and so it goes on and on. We have an inbuilt filter in our mind which chooses the types of thoughts or subjects that we like to brood upon. We are not born with this filter, but we acquire it over the years with the kind of books we read, the company we keep, and the subjects we are interested in. That is why some people are obsessed with football, cricket, or fashion while others could not care less for such things. This filter is built day by our actions, suggestions, teachings, and influence of others. We can ultimately choose our own filter, so let us learn to build our filter wisely and strengthen it daily. Questions: which part of speech in the underlined word in the following expression? It cannot stay at one place. Here one is a determiner. Next question: as if in ceaseless activity, the word ceaseless means continuous. Next question: creates a tornado of restlessness. The word tornado here means storm. Next question: thoughts are compared to clouds. Next question: the process of thinking continues from morning to night. Next question: thoughts affect us when our pride is hurt. Next question: read the following statements. Our reading decides the filter in our minds. The filter in our mind controls our likes but not dislikes. No, it controls both. So A is correct but B is incorrect. Next question: which of the following statements is incorrect? The filter in our minds influences our actions. Our thoughts do not remain stuck at one point. Each one of us has an inborn filter in our mind. No, it's acquired. We like to be respected when we go somewhere. Option third. Next question: which part of speech in the underlined word in the following expression? But we get affected. Here word affected is a verb. Next we have a poem, and on the basis of this poem we have to answer the questions. Question number 100 to 105. You can read this poem after post this video. Next question: what does death's second self stand for? Option third: sleep that gives rest. Next question: that on the ashes of his youth doth lie. Which figure of speech has been used in the underlined phrase? Option fourth: metaphor. Next question: the theme of the poem is the idea of death. Next question: the poet's life today is like winter season. Next question: in this season the branches have few or no leaves. So option first. Next question: what did the branches of the trees enjoy earlier? Sweet songs of birds. Now we have 15 more questions, and these questions are related to English pedagogy, so we have to select the most appropriate options. Question: a teacher asks her learners to join sentences to make a short paragraph, inserting supplied connectors and coherence markers like but, and, however, because, although, etc. What is this approach to writing known as? Free writing approach, communicative approach, control composition, control to free writing approach. Correct answer option fourth. Next question: an assessment done at the end of 6 months of one term is summative assessment. Next question: a teacher asks her learners of class 8th to read a novel by an Indian author and asks them to write an essay giving their views on the novel. What is this known as a reading activity? Reading for information, scanning, intensive reading, extensive reading. It is extensive reading. Next question: a teacher selected a text from a newspaper and dropped every fifth word and asked her learners to supply the missing words. What is the test known as? Complete the comprehensible paragraph, writing test, a cloze test, fill in the blanks. It is a closed test. Next question. Multilingualism as a strategy is teaching of all subjects in English medium and teaching Indian languages as a language. Teaching of a foreign language along with Indian languages through the medium of the state language. Using the languages of learners for teaching learning of language and content subjects. Teaching learning of at least 3 languages and content in mother tongue. Correct answer option 3rd. Next question. Denotative meaning of a word is figurative meaning, grammatical meaning, factual meaning or basic meaning, much more than what a word actually means. Correct answer option 3rd. Next question. We acquire language by understanding input that is a little beyond our current level of acquired competence. What is this pedagogical concept known as? This pedagogical concept known as input hypothesis. Next question. What is the status given to English by the Indian Constitution? In the Indian Constitution, the status is given to English is as an associate official language. Next question. What are the 3 components of PPP model in model of teaching? Present, practice, produce. Option 3rd. Next question. A teacher of class 8th discussed determiners in her classroom through a short text in which determiners occur many times and learners were made to notice them in use. This was followed by learners using the same in their own language for particular purposes. Teacher then brought to the notice of the learners the uses of determiners in context. What strategy did the teacher employ in her classroom? Task-based language teaching, communal language teaching, structured teaching, consciousness raising. Correct answer option 4th. Next question. A teacher found some of the aspects of language learning like reading with understanding a text on scientific concepts. She decided to pick students who find it difficult on the particular aspects. She took separate sessions for them to support them read and understand such text. What is she trying to do here? She is trying to do remedial teaching. Next question. A teacher wanted her students to learn vocabulary effectively. Which of the following ways should she adopt to teach vocabulary in her classroom? Ask them to find the meanings of the words in the dictionary. Ask them to group the words into meaningful categories and use them in real-life purposes. Write all the new words on the blackboard and write their meanings in the language of teaching. Ask her learners to underline the difficult words in a lesson and find their meanings in their language. Correct answer option 2nd. Next question. A reader gets the hints based on sound symbol correspondence to decode and comprehend the text. What is this known as? This is known as graphophonic cues. Next question. India's language and education policy is known as? It is known as 3-language formula. Next question. What is the following activity known as in vocabulary learning? Find words which can befriend the word rain like heavy rain. This activity is known as collocation. Then friends, these were 30 questions which were asked in CTET 2021. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you like my video, then please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you so much and all the best.